4 armed bandits, 1 stagecoach, 20,000 in gold, and 1 very angry dog. They called him Guard, and he was about to earn his name. Arizona Territory, 1879. The Butterfield Overland Stage Line ran the most dangerous route in the Southwest, Phoenix to Tucson. 120 miles, through Apache country, through outlaw territory, through hell. Stagecoaches carried passengers, mail, and frequently gold, lots of gold, from Phoenix banks to Tucson railhead, then east to civilization. The bandits knew this, watched, waited, struck regularly. 6 robberies in 4 months, 2 drivers dead, 3 wounded, passengers traumatized, gold stolen, always stolen. The company was desperate, losing money, losing reputation, losing drivers. Nobody wanted the Phoenix-Tucson run. Too dangerous, too deadly. Then Cole volunteered. 32 years old, experienced driver, tough, fearless. Some said crazy. I'll take the run, but on my terms. The station manager, Henderson, was relieved. Name them. I bring my dog, Guard. He rides, he protects, no arguments. Henderson looked at the dog, Rottweiler, 3 years old, black and tan, massive, muscular, intimidating. A dog against armed bandits? That's not a dog. That's a weapon with loyalty. Guard had been with Cole for 2 years, rescued from fighting ring, scarred, traumatized, vicious. Cole saw potential beneath the damage, beneath the rage, intelligence, loyalty, protectiveness. He rehabilitated Guard, patiently, carefully, transformed fighting dog into guardian. Guard was still aggressive, still dangerous, but controlled, focused, protective of Cole, absolutely, violently protective. That dog won't let anyone near you, Henderson observed. That's the point. Bandits get close, Guard attacks. Simple. What about passengers? Will he attack them? Not unless they threaten me or the cargo. Guard knows the difference between threat and passenger. Henderson was skeptical, but desperate. Fine, you and your dog, Phoenix to Tucson, starting Monday, 20,000 in gold. Don't lose it. Cole smiled. We won't. The first run was scheduled, Monday morning, 6 passengers, 20,000 in gold. Hidden in strongbox, under driver's seat. Standard procedure, standard target. Cole prepared carefully. Checked coach, horses, route, weapons. 2 revolvers, shotgun, knife, and Guard. This is it, boy. Dangerous run. Bad men. They'll try to take the gold, stop the coach, hurt us. You ready? Guard's response was low growl, alert posture, ready. They departed Phoenix at dawn, 6 passengers inside, nervous, knowing the route's reputation. Cole drove. Guard sat beside him, on the driver's seat, visible, intimidating. Passengers noticed. Is that safe, having that dog up there? Safer than not having him. The first 40 miles passed smoothly. No trouble, good road, fast pace. But Cole stayed alert, vigilant. Trouble came at remote spots, ambush points, where coaches had to slow, where bandits could hide. Mile 50, first dangerous area, narrow canyon, steep walls, perfect ambush spot. Cole slowed, watching. Guard's ears perked, alert, sensing something. Nothing happened. They passed through safely. Passengers relaxed. Too soon. Mile 70, second danger zone. Rocky pass, sharp turn, blind corner. Cole slowed again, approached carefully. Guard suddenly stood, hackles raised, growling, warning. Easy boy, what do you sense? Then they appeared, 4 riders, blocking the road, armed, masked, bandits, classic robbery setup. Cole stopped the coach, no choice, nowhere to go. The leader rode forward, revolver drawn. Driver, throw down the strongbox, nobody gets hurt. Cole's hand moved to his shotgun. Can't do that, company property. Then you die, your passengers die, your choice. Guard's growl intensified, deep, threatening. The bandit noticed. That dog moves, I shoot him first, then you. Cole stayed calm. That dog moves, you're dead. Before you pull trigger, guaranteed. The bandit laughed. It's a dog. I got a gun. You got a gun. I got guard. And guard's faster. The standoff held. 4 armed bandits. 1 driver. 1 dog. 6 terrified passengers. 20,000 in gold at stake. The bandit leader grew impatient. Last chance, strong box, now. Cole made his decision. Guard, defend. The Rottweiler exploded, off the driver's seat, straight at the lead bandit, faster than anyone expected. The bandit fired, missed, panicked. Guard hit him hard, knocked him from his horse onto the ground. Attacking, vicious, controlled, targeting. The other 3 bandits tried to help, aim their weapons, but couldn't risk hitting their leader. Cole used the confusion, grabbed his shotgun, fired at the nearest bandit, hit his horse. Animal panicked, threw rider. 2 bandits down, 2 remaining. Guard released the leader, bloody, screaming, turned to the next threat. Second bandit, advancing. The bandit fired at guard, hit the dog, shoulder, grazing. Painful, but not stopping. Guard kept coming, relentless, unstoppable. The bandit panicked, retreated, turned his horse, fled. The 4th bandit, seeing the chaos, the violence, the blood, made a decision. Survival over gold. He fled too, following his partner, leaving their leader, injured, screaming on the ground. And the first bandit whose horse was shot, struggling to his feet. Cole covered both with his shotgun. Don't move, either of you. Guard, watch them. Guard positioned himself between Cole and the bandits. Blood on his muzzle, wound on his shoulder, but alert, ready, dangerous. The passengers emerged, slowly, cautiously. What just happened? Guard happened. Saved the gold, saved us, saved everything. Cole secured the bandits, tied them, both injured, one by guard, one from being thrown. You're coming to Tucson. Face justice. Tell everyone. Butterfield coaches are protected by more than drivers. He checked guard. The wound. Grazing. Painful, but not serious. Good boy. Brave boy. You earned your keep today.
They reached Tucson. Late, but successful. Gold intact. Passengers safe. 2 bandits captured. The story spread immediately. Stagecoach driver and his dog fought off 4 bandits, protected $20,000 in gold. The company was thrilled. The captured bandits talked, identified the other 2. Warrants issued, arrests followed. Within a week, all 4 bandits in custody, facing trial. The Butterfield Company, ecstatic. Cole, you did it. Protected the gold, captured bandits. How? Guard did it. I just drove. The station manager examined Guard. The wounded shoulder. Bandaged now. Healing. That dog's remarkable, fearless, effective, loyal. He's all that and more. He's partner, protector, hero. The company made a decision. We want more dogs like Guard on all dangerous routes. Can you train them? Cole considered. Guard's special. Not every dog can do what he does, but some can, with right training, right temperament, right handler. Then do it. Start a program. Stagecoach Guard Dogs. You run it. Guard trains them. We fund it. Cole looked at Guard, the dog's steady gaze. What do you think, boy? Want to teach others? Guard's tail wagged. Once. Approval. Cole established the first Stagecoach Guard Dog program. In Tucson, small facility, training area, kennels. Selection was critical. Not every dog could do this work. Required specific traits. Courage, loyalty, aggression, but controlled. Intelligence, protectiveness, training focus. Guard was the model, the standard, the teacher. Cole brought in dogs, various breeds, Rottweilers like Guard, German Shepherds, Mastiffs, large, powerful, protective breeds. Some succeeded, some failed. Temperament testing was essential. A Stagecoach Guard dog must be aggressive toward threats, but controlled around passengers. Must protect, not terrorize. Must distinguish friend from enemy, instantly, correctly. Guard demonstrated, daily, how to position, on driver's seat, visible, intimidating. How to alert, to danger, to threats. How to respond, controlled, effective, protective. Young dogs watched, learned, imitated. Within 6 months, 5 dogs graduated, ready for service, assigned to different routes, different drivers. The results were immediate, dramatic. Robbery attempts dropped 70%. Bandits avoided coaches with visible guard dogs. Too dangerous, too unpredictable. When robberies were attempted, dogs responded effectively, violently. 3 more bandit groups defeated, captured, 1 dead, killed by guard dog, protecting driver. The industry noticed. Other Stagecoach lines, express companies, Wells Fargo, wanted guard dog programs. Can you help us train dogs for our routes? Cole's program expanded. More dogs, more trainers, more routes. Guard remained central, still working, still protecting, still training, but aging. Now 5 years old, slowing slightly, scarred, weathered, experienced. One route remained problematic. Deadwood to Cheyenne, Dakota Territory, notorious, deadly. Multiple robberies, several deaths. The most dangerous run in America. Wells Fargo, desperate, offered Cole double pay, triple. Take this run, you and Guard, protect our shipments, stop the robberies. Cole hesitated. That route's suicide, even with Guard. Name your price, we're desperate. Cole looked at Guard. The old warrior, scarred, experienced, still willing. One run, Guard and I, prove it can be done. Then you train your own team, using our methods. Agreed. They prepared carefully, studied the route, identified danger zones, ambush points, planned responses. Guards sensed the importance, the danger, stayed close, alert, more focused than usual. One run, guard and I. Prove it can be done. Then you train your own team using our methods. Agreed. They prepared carefully, studied the route, identified danger zones, ambush points, planned responses. Guards sensed the importance, the danger, stayed close, alert, more focused than usual. The Deadwood to Cheyenne run. Left at dawn. 8 passengers. 50,000 in gold. Massive shipment. Massive target. Cole drove. Guard beside him. Alert. Ready. 2 shotgun guards rode. Inside coach. Extra protection. They expected trouble. It came at mile 40. Rocky pass. Narrow. Steep. 6 bandits. Well organized. Professional. Not amateurs. They blocked the road. Front and rear. Classic pincer. No escape. The leader approached. Confident. Driver, you know the drill. Strong box, now, or everyone dies. Cole didn't respond. Waited. Guard stood. Slow. Deliberate. Showing age, but showing teeth. The bandit laughed. That old dog, supposed to scare me? I've killed younger, faster, meaner. Cole smiled, cold. You haven't met guard. The bandit raised his weapon, aimed at guard. Last chance. Dog dies first, then you, then passengers. Cole gave the command. Guard, full defense. Everything happened fast. Guard launched at the leader. Despite age, despite scars, despite injuries. Still fast, still deadly. The bandit fired. Hit guard, chest, serious wound. But not stopping, not yet. Guard hit him, knocked him down. Attacking, vicious. The other bandits reacted, firing, at guard, at Cole. The shotgun guards inside fired back, through windows. Chaos, violence, gunfire. Horses panicking, passengers screaming. Cole fought, 2 revolvers, shooting, protecting. Guard released the leader, turned to next threat. Despite wounds, despite blood, still fighting. Took down second bandit, attacking legs, bringing him down. But losing strength, losing blood. A third bandit aimed carefully at guard. Fired. Hit the dog, side, serious. Guard collapsed, finally. Too many wounds, too much blood. But still alive, still watching, still protecting. Cole saw guard fall. Rage replaced fear. He fought violently, desperately. Killed 1 bandit, wounded 2 others, the shotgun guards. Effective, experienced, eliminated another. The remaining bandits, seeing casualties, seeing failure, fled. 3 dead, 2 wounded and captured, 1 escaped. Cole ignored them, rushed to guard. The dog was bleeding, badly. 3 gunshot wounds, chest, side, leg. Guard, stay with me. You did it, saved everyone. Again, stay with me. Guard's eyes glazed, weakening, but focused on Cole, loyal to the end. The passengers emerged. One was a doctor. Let me help, I'm a doctor. He examined guard, shook his head. These wounds, too serious, too much blood loss. I'm sorry. Cole held guard. "You saved us, all of us. You're a hero, the best partner, the best friend." Guard's tail moved slightly, once, then stopped. They buried Guard. In Cheyenne, with honors, military honors. First dog to receive such recognition. Wells Fargo officials present. Cole, devastated, spoke. Guard was fighting dog, damaged, violent. I saw beneath that, saw loyalty, courage, heart. He became guardian, protector, hero. Saved countless lives, stopped dozens of robberies, trained generation of guard dogs. Today, he gave his life protecting passengers, protecting gold, protecting his duty. He died doing what he loved, protecting people. That's heroism. That's Guard. The company erected monument. Guard, 1876 to 1879. Rottweiler, first Stagecoach guard dog. He protected, he served, he died a hero. Cole couldn't continue. Too much loss, too much grief. He returned to training, focused on guard dog program, creating legacy, ensuring guard sacrifice mattered. Within a year, 20 guard dogs working across territories, all trained using Guard's methods. Guard's example. Robberies plummeted, Stagecoach travel safer. Guard dogs became standard, industry-wide. The reputation alone deterred bandits. Don't rob coaches with guard dogs, death sentence. By 1881, 2 years after Guard's death, over 50 guard dogs worked Stagecoach routes nationwide. The program Guard inspired transformed transportation security. Cole continued training, but his heart wasn't in it. Guard's death hit him hard. Every dog he trained reminded him of what he'd lost. The original, the best, the irreplaceable. One young Rottweiler, named Sentinel, showed remarkable promise, similar to Guard, intelligent, protective, fearless, but different personality, gentler with passengers, more social, but equally effective against threats. Cole worked closely with Sentinel, saw echoes of Guard, but appreciated the differences. You're not Guard, you're Sentinel, your own dog, your own hero. Sentinel excelled, graduated top of his class. Assigned to the Tucson-Phoenix route, Guard's original route, where it all began. Sentinel's first assignment. Immediate success. 3 attempted robberies, first month, all prevented. Sentinel's presence alone deterred 2. The third, actual confrontation. Sentinel drove off 4 bandits without killing anyone, just intimidation. Strategic positioning, controlled aggression. That dog's different from Guard, drivers reported. Guard was warrior, Sentinel's guardian. Both effective, different styles. The program evolved, recognized different dogs, had different strengths. Guard's aggressive protection worked perfectly for his era, his routes, his threats. But newer dogs, like Sentinel, adapted, evolved. New tactics, same mission, protection. Wells Fargo expanded program to freight wagons, ore shipments, payroll deliveries, anywhere valuable cargo needed protection. Guard dogs proved invaluable. By 1885, guard dog programs existed nationwide. Not just stagecoaches, trains, ships, banks, warehouses, any high-value target employed guard dogs. The profession Guard pioneered had become industry. Hundreds of dogs, thousands of handlers, millions protected. Cole retired from active training, 50 years old, tired, weathered, but satisfied. Guard started this, changed everything, made transportation safer, made people safer. That's legacy. He was invited to speak at Security Conference, San Francisco. Industry leaders, law enforcement, military, all interested in guard dog programs. Cole spoke, reluctantly. Guard wasn't first guard dog ever. Dogs protected humans for thousands of years. But guard was first, professional, trained, standardized guard dog for commercial security. He proved concept, showed it worked, changed how we think about security, about dogs, about protection. The conference established standards for guard dog training based on Cole's methods. Guard's example, temperament requirements, training protocols, handler qualifications, deployment guidelines. Cole consulted, advised, shaped the standards. Guard taught me, dogs need clear roles, clear commands, clear authority, but also dogs need trust, need bond, need partnership, not just tools, partners. The standards adopted nationwide, then internationally, Europe, Asia, Australia, all establishing guard dog programs based on American model, based on Guard's legacy. Cole received recognition, awards, honors, but deflected credit. Guard deserves this, not me. I just listened to him, trusted him, let him work. He did everything. Cole visited Guard's grave. Often. In Cheyenne. At the cemetery. Where they'd buried him. With honors. The monument? Simple, but powerful. Fresh flowers, always present. Left by strangers, by handlers, by people whose lives guard dogs saved. Cole would sit, tell Guard about the program, about successes, about changes. 50 guard dogs became hundreds, then thousands, all because of you. You proved it possible, showed everyone dogs aren't just companions, they're protectors, professionals, heroes. Every handler, every dog, every life saved traces back to you, to that day. You fought 4 bandits, protected that gold, started everything. When Cole passed, 1890, they buried him beside Guard, in Cheyenne. Together again, partners reunited. The monument updated. Cole and Guard, partners in protection. They changed security forever. The guard dog profession continued growing. By 1900, over 5,000 guard dogs working worldwide. Transportation, banking, manufacturing, government, military, all employed guard dogs. By 1950, guard dogs were standard in law enforcement, military operations, private security, border protection, search and rescue, every application. Traced back to Guard, to that Rottweiler who fought 4 bandits, protected 20,000 in gold, then gave his life protecting passengers. Guard didn't just save one shipment. He created a profession that saved millions, protected billions, changed security forever. The stagecoaches are gone, replaced by trucks, trains, planes. But guard dogs remain, still protecting, still serving, still saving lives. Every police dog, every military dog, every security dog owes something to Guard, to his courage, his loyalty, his sacrifice. Guard proved dogs could be professionals, could be trained, could be deployed, could be heroes. That was revolutionary. That changed everything.